गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल। आज का भी टॉपिक मैं वही लेके आई हूँ वुमेन्स डे से रिलेटेड। आज मैं आप सभी को 5 क्वेश्चन का आंसर दूंगी वुमेन्स डे से रिलेटेड। हु स्टार्टेड वुमेन्स डे इन इंडिया? कितने लोगों को पता है? हो सकता है सबको पता हो। सेकेंड इज व्हाई डू वी सेलिब्रेट वुमेन्स डे इन इंडिया? एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज what is the National Women's Day? Fourth question, why is Women's Day important? Fourth is, what is the theme for International Women's Day 2021? I'm organizing Women's Day celebrations date on 6th of March 2021. Its categories of different fields of women's connected with this platform. If you want to connect with our platform, then you can nominate with this platform. For more information, contact us 9999786732. Then who started Women's Day in India? आइए जवाब देते हैं आप सभी को। सरोजनी नायडू's 141 first birth anniversary celebration Sarojini Naidu's birthday as National Women's Day of India. Every year on February 13, Sarojini Naidu was India's first woman governor and also famous as Bharat Kokila. Sarojini Naidu was born on February 13, 1879. Second question, who do we celebrate Women's Day in India? Our answer, International Women's Day 2021 date that celebrates women, highlights their achievements, there are for gender equity and equality. International Women's Day is a landmark celebration which like every year will be celebrated on 8th of March. And third question, what is the National Women's Day? Women's Day 8 March. 8 March International Women's Day is annually held on March 8 to celebrate women's achievements throughout history and across nations. It is also known as the United Nations UN Day for women's rights and international peace. And next is, why is Women's Day important? Basically, the day commemorates the 1956 march of approximately 20,000 women to the Union buildings in Pretoria to petition against the country's past laws that required South Africans defined as black under the Population Registration Act to carry an internal passport known as a pass that served to maintain population. And the theme for the International Women's Day is 2021 is I Am Generation Equality, Realizing Women's Rights. ये बात मैं आपको पहले भी बता चुकी हूँ। Date of 6 March 2021. Its categories of different fields of women's connected with this platform. If you want to connect with our platform, then you can nominate with this platform. For more information, you can visit on our website and you can contact us in this number 9999786732. Most welcome to all women. For all women, it's a very pretty flowers. Wish you very happy Women's Day in advance. Thank you so much. और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड प्लीज़ लाइक करना ना भूलें और सब्सक्राइब करना भी ना भूलें। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और 6 मार्च की फंक्शन के लिए जो भी हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करने जा रहे हैं, इस प्लेटफॉर्म से जुड़ने के लिए आप हमारे नंबर पे भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अथवा वेबसाइट पे भी विजिट कर सकते हैं, हमें मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं मनीषा एस्ट्रोलॉजर। नमस्कार।